Hello dear students, let's start the revision of exercise objective question answer of chapter 1, the language of chemistry. So this is the class of revision class. Now question number 1, choose the most appropriate answer. Now here the two questions of the multiple choice and only one answer is the correct answers. Now the question number A, 4 gram atom of sodium is equivalent to. So you know that the 1 gram atom of sodium is equivalent to 23 gram. 23 gram. So the 4 gram atom of the sodium is equivalent to 4 into 23. So this is equal to the 92 grams. So the right option is second number. Now the next question, B number. Molecular formula of sodium nitrate is. This is the sodium nitrate. So the molecular formula of sodium nitrate is, you know that sodium, just you write the symbol of the sodium and you write the symbol of the nitrate, NO3 minus. So the formula of the sodium nitrate is NaNO3. So the option 1 is the correct options. So the correct option is NaNO3. Now the next question, question number 2. Fill in the blanks using the correct options. A number, gram molecular mass of oxygens. So gram molecular mass of oxygen is equal to the molecular mass of the oxygens, and that is equal to 32. So the answer is 32. Now the next question, B number, the empirical formula of benzene is dash, which its molecular formula is dash. So that you know that the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. This is the molecular formula of the benzene. Then the empirical formula is the simplest number of the ratio of the elements of a molecule is called the empirical formula. So the simplest number ratio of the element is CH. So the empirical formula of the benzene is CH and molecular formula of the benzene is C6H6. So the answer, empirical formula is CH and molecular formula is C6H6. Now the next question, C number, decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 is which dash reactions. When decompose the phosphorus pentachloride, then phosphorus pentachloride decompose to form the PCl3 and Cl2 gas. But this reaction is also a type of reversible reactions. When we cool down the temperature, then the PCl3 and Cl2 again combined to forms the PCl5. So this is the decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride is a type of reversible reactions. So the answer is reversibles. Now the next questions. Question number 3, name the following compounds. So here the molecular formula of some compounds are given and we write the name of these molecular compounds. So first, A number, NaHCO3. So NaHCO3, when we observe this formula, then the two ions combine to forms the NaHCO3. Number 1 Na cations, and second one is the HCO3 minus Na plus. So both ions combine to form the NaCO3. Sodium, now Na is called the sodium, and HCO3 is called the hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate. So the answer name of this compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now the next question, the next Na3FeCN6. So the name of this compound is, now this compound is made from the again two ions, sodium and FeCN6. So here 6 cyano groups, cyanides groups, CN groups present in this formula. So the name of this compound is sodium hexacyanoferrate. Now the next question is C number, Mn3BO3 twice. So BO3 is called the borate. So the name of this compound is manganese second borate. Now the valency of the manganese here is Mn is +2, and BO3 3 minus. Borate, this is the borate ions and this is the manganese cation and anions, and they form the manganese second borate. Now the next question is D number, Ca3PO4 twice. So Ca is called the calcium and PO4 called the phosphate. So the name of this compound is calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. Now the next question, K2MnO4. K2 is called the potassium, and MnO4 is called the permanganate. MnO4 minus is called the permanganate ion. So the name of this compound is potassium permanganate. Now the next question, write the formula of the following compounds. Now here some compounds are given and write their formulas. So question number 1, A number, calcium carbonate. Now you know that calcium is a symbol of Ca and carbonate is the symbol of CO3 2 minus, and calcium has 2 plus. So the formula between these two ions forms the calcium carbonate, CaCO3, because the valency of both have the 2 equal valency, so both are common, so their formula is CaCO3, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Now the next question, B number, magnesium sulfate. The symbol of the magnesium is Mg. Magnesium is a cation, so 2 plus, and sulfate SO4 2 minus. Both have the equal valency, so the formula of the magnesium sulfate is MgSO4. So the formula of magnesium sulfate is MgSO4. Now the next question, ferric sulfate, C number, ferric sulfate. Ferric, so the symbol of ferric is Fe3 plus, and sulfate the symbol of SO4 2 minus. So after combining to each other, they form the formula, and their formula is Fe2SO4 whole thrice. So the formula is Fe2SO4 thrice. So the answer is Fe2SO4 3. Now the next question, D number, calcium bicarbonate. Calcium Ca2 plus, and bicarbonate has the formula is HCO3 minus, bicarbonate ions. So the formula between them is CaHCO3 whole twice. So the formula of calcium bicarbonate is CaHCO3. Now the next question, E number, the formula of cuprous iodide. So you know that cuprous has Cu plus ions and iodide has I minus. So the formula between them is CuI. Now the next F number, potassium dichromate. Potassium has the symbol is K plus and dichromate K plus dichromate Cr2O7 2 minus. So the formula between them is K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. So this is the formula of potassium dichromate. Now this is the formula of cuprous iodide and this is the formula of K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. Now next question. Potassium permanganate. Potassium has the formula, potassium ion has the formula K plus and permanganate MnO4 minus. So the formula between them is KMnO4. Now the next question, the formula of sodium sulfate, H number. Sodium sulfate, sodium has the symbol is Na plus and sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So the formula between them is Na2SO4. So Na2SO4. Now the next question is magnesium nitrate. Magnesium has the symbol Mg 2 plus. They are valency and the nitrate has the formula is NO3 minus. So the formula between them is MgNO3 twice. MgNO3 cut whole twice. So the formula is MgNO3 twice. Now the next question. Calcium phosphate. The formula of the calcium phosphate. The calcium has the symbol is Ca 2 plus is the valency and phosphate has PO4 is the symbols and they have the 3 minus I valency. So after combining they form the Ca3PO4 whole twice. So the formula of calcium phosphate is Ca3PO4 twice. Now the next question is, give the empirical formula of C6H6 following compounds. So A number C6H6, this is the molecular formula of the benzenes. So the empirical formula is the simplest number of the ratio of a molecule. Simplest number of the ratio of the elements present in a molecule is called the molecular formula. So the simplest number of ratio of C6H6 is CH. So their empirical formula is CH. Now next question, the empirical formula of C6H12O6. This is the molecular formula of glucose. So simplify this molecular formula and we get the empirical formula. So after simplification we get CH2O. Now this is the empirical formula of the glucose. So answer is CH2O. Now the next, the empirical formula of C2H2. So simplify this, the molecular formula, and after simplification we get the CH. So the CH is the empirical formula of C2H2. So the answer is CH. Now the next question, the empirical formula of CH3COH, acetic acid. So after simplification we get first we sort out this formula and we get the CH4 C2H4O2 and then simplify this formula. After simplification we get CH2O. So this is the empirical formula of acetic acid. So the answer is CH2O. Okay, thank you. So this is all about the objective question answer of chapter 1 exercise. Okay, thank you.